Hey everyone, it's Mark Szewski and welcome back to another Revizto Getting Started tutorial. Today we're going to walk through how to create and track issues in 3D within Revizto. If you've seen the 2D tutorial on issue tracking, this is going to be very similar. Walking through here, we're actually going to follow the same kind of concept we followed in 2D and going to pick on a specific door. This one looks good. So the first step is going to be coming up here to our new issue button. And when we select it, it's going to take a screenshot of that door. The difference between this screenshot and one that you do control print screen and convert to PDF to email is that this screenshot has intelligent information behind it and is going to switch back to any of the linked files such as Navisworks or Revit or AutoCAD like you've seen in the initial setup video. I'm going to start by picking one of my markup tools. And I am going to just outline this door real quick. So now that I've marked up this door, I'm going to say door size issue and select done. Again, you're going to see it move this time from 3D into the issue tracker. And we're going to go through the same process that we did in the 2D tutorial. We're going to go to our status, keep it at open. This one maybe I'll mark as in progress because I'm going to work on that today. We're going to select a deadline. That's going to be the same on the 27th. Come down to assign somebody. We'll assign Nathan Bennett this time. We're going to add some watchers to this. James Ocean seems like a good one. And we are going to create a public. So this is going to be available for everybody to see. If we didn't want this to be seen by everybody, we could make that a private issue. But I'll leave it public for now. And we're going to add an additional tag. Because we're on the second floor and I want to pull filters and reports by a specific tag, I'm going to add second floor and I'm also going to add door. So we can tag this multiple ways, and this is really nice to be able to filter later utilizing our filter tool or pulling reports utilizing our reporting feature. So I'm going to minimize this. And as you can see, all those different things I've changed has been noted in the issue log through the instant message. So again here, if I select 3D, I'm already in 3D, but it'll allow me to view different areas around that screenshot. I can go back to our actual markup. I can re-edit this markup similar to how I'd re-edit a sheet. And although this is taken in 3D, I'm able to see any floor plan that this falls on. So I'm going to pull up our level 2 power plan. And you can see that this is where the issue was created on that level 2 power plan, along with the rest of the issues that fall on that specific plan. So we can go through any of these and see where that falls on each of these elevations or plans. Additionally, similar to 2D, we can switch back into Revit and view that same issue. So I'm going to click Issue Tracker. And all I'm going to do is select this door issue, and I'm going to do this so you guys can see this in real time. Double click right on this blue area that I've selected, and you can see that it actually pulls up this door within Revit. Revizto does not create multiple views in Revit. It just creates a singular view that you can see within your project browser, and it completely replaces that every time that you create a new issue within Revizto. So it's essential that you close out before opening up your next issue in the Revizto issue tracker. So now that that issue is closed out, I can go back to another one, and this looks like a section box, and you can see this is brought in as an isometric view in Revit because it was sectioned in Revizto. Next, I'm going to open up our Navisworks project. And because this project is already linked, as you saw in the initial setup video for linking files, we can simply select the issue tracker. And I can pull up any of these areas. So I'm going to go back to our door size issue. And by double clicking on this, you can see in real time, it will bring us directly to that problem area. And unlike Revit, we don't actually have to close out any views within Navisworks because it's all live. So I'm going to pick out, looks like we have a railing that we marked up here, and by double clicking it, it's simply going to take us right back to that railing, and I can now walk around from that area within the model. So that is how the Revizto issue tracker works in 3D.